model, 2005 Renault Trucks Master 48k miles 2.5 DCI 100.35 medium wheelbase, minibus with disability wheelchair ramp no VAT. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 48,215. MOT, the 15th of May 2025. Engine, 2463 cc2, 5/100ths. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Fresh 12 months MOT. Fully working disabled electric wheelchair ramp will make an excellent camper conversion, no VAT bargain. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seating area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest minbus which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, full service history, 12 months MOT, wheelchair lift, wind-up windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call